Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will go through very easy steps in detail. How to connect to computer and share all data, files, folders including images and even drives with your home network. If you have two or more computer or laptop and you want to connect each other and share all files, folders, media, software and all programs, then watch this video to the end to get all step-by-steps in details. To connect computer to computer and share all data, files and folders and images, first I will do some basic setting to each computer. The first option is click on the PC icon, right click and click on Open Network and Internet Setting. The second option, click on Search for Control Panel and Network and Sharing Center. Third option, click Start menu, click on Setting and click on Network and Internet Sharing, and right here Windows 10 is default for public network. If you have a public network right here, then click to change connection property, and if you have public, change to private. I have already done it. So back, click on Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Advanced Sharing Setting, turn on Network Discovery, turn on File and Printer Sharing, then expand this arrow for all network, check 128-bit encryption and check turn off password sharing. Click to save change. Once you set up all your network, then you need to share files, folder or drive that can be used for both computers. Right click on Start menu, click on File Explorer. You can select any folder that you wish to share for both computers. Right click, give access specific people, select everyone. You can give access only read or read and write, complete permission, then click share. Once you do that, you see this path. You can email this path to someone or copy this, paste on Notepad and give it to the other person, or you can use it for another computer, second computer. When you paste this path on second computer, on this address bar, you can access this folder on the second computer. Same thing, you can share whole drive. If you want to share a drive, click Give Access, Advanced Sharing. Remember this one, network path, copy this. That's you need to share. Same thing with the documents. When you copy and paste on the second computer address bar, you can access this drive in your second computer. Advanced sharing is the drive is F. Give permission, select everyone and then give permission. I already have done it, so click OK, OK, close. And remember to use this path to access this drive in your second PC. Now all required settings are done in computer 1. So close all the open window, then restart the computer or laptop to configure all settings properly. Repeat this same process with another computer or laptop or network. One thing you should know that most often this file sharing works depending on your computer's firewall and security setting. Some cases you may need to adjust your firewall and security setting to access all designated files, folders and drives. If you have any question, please ask in comments below. Thanks. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.